my beautiful souls. In today's video I want to show you how to get your hair, your bundles, your wig from looking like this to looking like this. Then keep on watching. So this hair is half premium synthetic and half human, so it's not 100% synthetic hair, and I have used it once but I want to use it again, so that's why I want to wash it. You're gonna need a brush, a detangling brush. We're gonna need a towel, and we are going to need fabric softener. You can use any type you have. So as you can see, it's really messed up, especially you know those hairs that are always at the back. So we're gonna comb it first, detangle it, and you want to start from the ends. Never start from here, from the beginning, or else you're gonna mess up your hair, you're gonna mess up your bundles, your wig. So you start from the bottom and working your way up, okay? So this is all that is coming out, as you can see, okay? This is a little bit rough, so we're gonna turn it on the other side. Again, we're gonna detangle it. I'm gonna get water. I'm gonna get it a little bit warm, like lukewarm water, because we don't want to use very hot water and we don't want to use cold water. I think it's warm enough. Then we're gonna close it, close the hole, the drainage, and then we're gonna add in enough water for our wig to fill in, okay, so that it cannot get soaked in. Now next, I'm gonna get my fabric softener. Now I'm using this only because my wig is not too dirty. I only wore it once. It was my daughter's birthday once, and I had it in for like 2 weeks or so. Then we're gonna add the softener into the water like that, and then we're gonna give it a good mix. Get our wig, our hair, our bundles, and we're going to soak them inside. Now for me, I have no problem using my kitchen sink, but you have problem with that, go ahead and use your bathroom sink, use a basin, okay, because I'll disinfect it anyway. It's 2020. So now I'm gonna soak it into the water for about 30 to 40 minutes and let it soak, let it wash, let it soften, and then we'll be right back. Now my wig has been in there, the water has already cooled down. I'm gonna take the water out, okay, like that, and try to squeeze out the excess water. So it feels soft already. Then I'm gonna close it back again. Again, adding water. Hold on, water first, and then I'm gonna add in some few drops of conditioner. It doesn't matter what you use to me, okay? That's a deep conditioner. Then I'm gonna smells so good. I'm gonna add it again into the conditioner for about 2 minutes, okay? Not longer than 2 minutes. at most 3 minutes. Okay, it's been 2 minutes now. I'm gonna take it out, take the water out, drain it, and then we are going to give it another rinse. Just like that. And then I'm gonna squeeze out the excess water. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze it out, and then I'm gonna leave this dry overnight. Okay, it depends. I'm doing this in the evening, so I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and then we'll be right back when it's all dry. So we're back again, and our hair is all dry, our bundles are all dry. They're still looking a little bit rough, but we are going to iron them. You heard me right. And I'm gonna use my iron, but if you have a flat iron, then go ahead and use that. Definitely go ahead and use that, but this is what I'm gonna use because this is what I have. Okay, so I'm gonna be getting piece by piece, and this is what we're going to iron first. You have to comb it first again, okay, just to lay it flat so it can be easier for us to iron it. Okay, I'm gonna be making a video on how to make a wig, so I didn't want to buy new hair, and I did not want to use dirty old hair, so this is where we have to prepare it fast, clean it fast. Okay, so we want to iron it on the very low heat. Like, this is synthetic, it's not 100%, so we're gonna use the heat that is low. If it's written on your iron, like it's labeled there, polyester, all that stuff, synthetic, go and use that. Then I'm gonna turn it on the other side and then iron it again. So guys, look out for my new video on how to make a wig. It will be dropping soon. Okay, so I'm gonna iron all of the bundles off camera. So this is our hair. We're done with the ironing, and it is all nice and soft. Of course, it cannot be soft as new, but yeah, it is way much better than it was before. You saw that before. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye.